Martine Moise, the First Lady of Haiti. According to your testimony, you claim when you heard the shooting and the bullets ricocheting in your house, you ran to your children and eventually made them hide in a closet or in a bathroom, whichever it is. But you did not stay with them like most responsible mothers would when their child is in danger. Yet, you ran back to your husband, the chief general, who told you to lay on the ground, and I quote, "This is where it will be safe." But what is more disturbing to me, ladies and gentlemen, is the First Lady's testimony about the mercenaries. Mercenaries who themselves claimed they were in Haiti for more than 6 months, plotting on the assassination of President Jovenel Moise. And yet, the First Lady claims that the mercenaries were on the phone asking for the description of the most popular, the most iconic man in Haiti. What I find most turbulent about the First Lady's testimony is assassins shining light on their victims' eyes to make sure they are dead, instead of just pumping more bullets. And so the Haitian people cannot rely on facts that have been sequenced and edited by New York Times and CNN. The proud, suited, necktie-wearing political Haitian nigger should no longer be allowed to decide and negotiate when it comes to government and our world affairs. Nor should the Haitian people expect justice from Haitian men that are so comfortable with ropes around their necks. No conscious Haitian should see a rope or necktie as a fashion statement. No black man with a leash will bring Haitians out of misery. My condolences to the family of President Jovenel Moise. The revolution must be global.